Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, and welcome to another vlog of DIY Woodworking TV. Well, now the workshop is set up. I've got a lot of tools. Yes, alhamdulillah, I splurged on buying these fancy tools which are going to help me properly in the beginning to build my dummies, to build my initial projects. Well, I'm like a dummy here for woodworking, but definitely I am learning very fast, and I will inshallah learn very fast. So the workshop is set up and I was able to buy the wood, and obviously you have seen, you watched the previous vlog where I bought the cheap pallet wood for my initial projects. That is to practice my tools, to learn. That is to practice, to learn to use my tools that I have bought, and also to build my work table. I don't want to spend too much on on a work table, so I will use 100% pallet wood or pallets to make my work table. Alright, can you hear me? No, you can't. Hold on. Alright, alhamdulillah, the first wood salvaging operation went very well. I've got plenty of material, man. Check this out. This big one is especially I was looking at to make table, because this is more than enough to make a table for this little space here. Alright, so this is gonna be my little table, which is 100 by 120 cm, I believe. It is kind of thin and fragile, so I'm gonna strengthen it by using this pallet wood and cutting it and putting it on the back and strengthen it. Once it is nice and sturdy, strong, then these four are going to form the legs. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this my first DIY woodworking TV vlog from my little new man cave, woodworking man cave. Now the next vlog, obviously I'm gonna start from this point on, building my first woodworking project, that is starting my first woodworking project, that is the work table,